the ray of hope in our life. Thank you all for guiding us and inspiring us for today.
ज्ञान शक्ति समारूढ़ः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, which also means salutation to that teacher who is rooted in knowledge, that is power, adorned with the garland of truth, and who is the restorer of the joy of liberation.
A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of कक्षा 10वीं अ छात्र
और હું પ્રિયદર્શની કક્ષા 10वीं અ છાત્રા આપ સભાને ટીચર્स ડેની ઘણી ઘણી બધાઈ દેना चाहूंगा।
आप सबने पता है कि आज डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्मदिन है और वे अपने देश का राष्ट्रपति भी याद रखा है और वे
Stop it, Manas Mandir. It's a general knowledge. They must be knowing this.
Okay, fine. Today, we gather here to honor and celebrate the incredible individual who shaped our future with their dedication and hard work. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, teachers are the backbone of our nation. They are the pillars in which aspiration converts into reality.
To make this celebration even more meaningful, we have chosen a cultural theme that reflects our diverse heritage and traditions. This theme is a tribute to the cultural tapestry that makes up our community and an opportunity to showcase the beauty of our cultural diversity.
Throughout the day, you will experience various performances, presentations, activities, dresses, and languages that highlight different aspects of our cultural heritage. From traditional music, dance, and art, each performance will not only entertain but also educate us about the values and traditions that have been passed down through generations.
Now I request our guest of honor, Reverend Father Manager and Reverend Father Principal, Sunita Sebastian Ma'am, Ajay Gupta Sir, Mukesh Sir, Hemlata Maliwal Ma'am for the lighting of the lamp and guiding us to Reverend Sister Sushila for guiding us towards the path to the Almighty.
I would like to call students from class 10 and 10 for chanting shlokas. I request Father Principal to please garnish the portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. दीपक का प्रकाश परम ब्रह्म का प्रतिनिधित्व करता है। दीपक का प्रकाश जनार्दन का प्रतिनिधित्व करता है। दीपक का प्रकाश मेरे पापों को दूर करे, ऐसी दीप ज्योति को मेरा प्रणाम।
आत्म ज्योति प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्म ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते। ब्रह्म ज्योति प्रदीप्ताय गुरु ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते।
जो दिव्य शक्ति मेरे अंदर है, जो दिव्य शक्ति मेरे बाहर है और दुनिया में जो प्रकाश पैदा है, उसका एक स्रोत है और वो परमात्मा है।
शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदां शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते।
for your recitation of shlokas. Your voices have brought the essence of these ancient verses to life, filling our ceremony with profound meaning and reverences.
शिक्षा से बड़ी कोई पहचान नहीं है, शिक्षा से बड़ी कोई पहचान नहीं है, गुरु का आशीर्वाद मिले इससे बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं है. I request at Bernardine Pencil and Head Kalkishti Jain to kindly present the handmade bouquet made by our talented student Nitiksha Nahata to Reverend Father Principal, Reverend Father Manager, and Sister Sushila as our token of gratitude.
आज इस मनमोहक अवसर पे मैं अपने विद्यालय के सभी छात्रों की ओर से शिक्षकों के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी।
रोज सुबह मिलते हैं इनसे, क्या हमको करना है बतलाते हैं,
लेके तस्वीरें इंसानों की सही गलत का भेद हमें ये बताते हैं।
हार हार के फिर लड़ना ही जीत है सच्ची, ऐसा एहसास हमें ये करवाते हैं,
कोशिश करते रहना हर पल जीवन का अर्थ हमें ये बताते हैं।
ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं,
ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं।
Do you think, Priyadarshi, the program that you are presenting is enough to honor our dear teachers?
Well, to be very honest, Manaswin, we cannot do anything ever enough if we were to compare what our teachers do for us. But nevertheless, we can put a smile on their faces.
Prayer dance is not just a performance, but a profound gesture of devotion and spirituality. It's a powerful way to express our deepest prayer and help transcending words and touching the very essence of our souls.
So we would like to call upon the talented performers of class 8 and 9 who will lead us to the sacred moment. May their dance uplift our spirits and bring a sense of peace and harmony to all who are present here. for the incredible dance performance. Your talent and dedication is truly inspiring. Please give them a huge round of applause.
As we gather today to celebrate the remarkable individuals who shape our future through education, I am reminded of a profound quote by Albert Einstein. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy, insert an expression and knowledge. With that in my mind, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce someone who embodies the spirit of inspiring and awakening minds.
So therefore, we would like to call Yusuf Kutub to brief us more about Teachers' Day.
Respected Father Principal, Father Manager, Sister, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. Today's occasion takes my mind to a king who called one of his ministers and asked, "Hey minister, can you tell me which profession is instrumental for our kingdom to whatever it is today?" The minister said, "Of course, the engineers, because they built the entire infrastructure. Without that, the court, the palace, the dams, the irrigation facilities would not exist. So, the engineers are the most contributing profession for the kingdom. The king asked to spot the best engineer and get him as he wanted to avoid. At the same time, another minister said, but I believe it is the doctors, as if they were not there because of your ailment, you would have died long back. It is the doctors who keep us alive." The king agreed and asked for the best doctor to give the award. Immediately, another minister stood and said, "It is the soldiers, as if they didn't guard the borders, your kingdom must have been somebody else's, and you would have become a slave and not a king." And like this, every minister suggested one profession after the other, and the best in each category was brought. All of them aligned in the court. The puzzled king turned towards his prime minister and asked his opinion as to whom he should award. The prime minister requested the king to wait and left the court. A little later, the prime minister got back into the court with an old lady. The moment the old lady stepped into the court, the engineer got up, the doctor stood up, the minister, soldier, everybody in the court got up. And seeing everybody standing, the king felt a little embarrassed sitting alone, so he also got up. The king could not resist himself and asked the prime minister as to who that lady was, in whose presence everybody was standing in the court. The prime minister replied that she is the teacher who taught all of them. Teachers do more than what they teach. Turn up each day to talk at kids with glazed eyes and blank stares. They are magicians who make learning happen whatever the resources are. Imagine dozens of unique, brilliant, and challenging personalities at a while. They light the fire of imagination and wonder and keep those flames alive when their students are losing hope. Dear teachers, sometimes it may seem that the world has forgotten how important you really are. Your creativity, your dedication, your passion. It's time for a reminder for every child who says, "I'm not smart enough, I don't get it, I can't." There's a teacher who says, "You can." For every child who needs basic skills, knowledge, someone to believe in him, there is a teacher who will do whatever it takes, encourage, inspire, and instill a love for learning. for reaching every child to become the next great author, artist, musician, entrepreneur, scientist, a doctor, or an engineer. Teachers, you make a difference. So, today, on this auspicious occasion, on the birth anniversary of our late Honorable President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we take this opportunity to wish all of our teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Yusuf, for the inspiring speech you delivered. Your words truly resonated with everyone in the audience and beautifully highlighted the profound impact teachers have in our lives.
It's such an honor to be here today as we celebrate the incredible dedication and hard work of our esteemed teachers.
Indeed, our teachers are guiding light who shape the future, nurture young minds with wisdom and kindness.
Their impact extends far beyond classrooms, influencing lives in countless ways. Today, we want to take a moment to recognize and honor these remarkable individuals who inspire us every day.
Thank you all for your unwavering dedication, your tireless efforts, and of course, your endless enthusiasm.
Each of you brings a spark to our educational community, inspiring and guiding our students with wisdom and compassion.
It's been an absolute pleasure guiding you through these incredible moments.
Absolutely, we had an amazing time so far, and now it's time to shift gears and bring some new energy to the stage.
That's right, to keep the excitement going and to guide us through the next part of the program.
Please give a warm round of applause as we welcome Shreya and Veera to take over the stage.
Shreya and Veera, we are excited to see what you have in store for us. The floor is all yours. A very happy Teachers' Day to all.
जो बोया है उन्होंने वह पलों से लग गया, उनके आशीर्वाद से हर सपना सच हो गया। हर पल हमें सिखाते, हर मुश्किल को आसान बनाया। गुरु के चरणों में है सारा ज्ञान और सम्मान समाया। Good morning, St. Paul's. I am Shreya Kandari, and I, Veera Vashish, are your host for next half of today's program. We are thrilled to be here today to honor our beloved teachers. What a great start we have had to the program. An electrifying entry, a segment filled with divinity and whatnot. Our teachers do so much for us, be it scorching summer heat or windy winter morning. They always carry their enthusiastic approach to the school. They are trying to implement their best of the plan, rectify the cause of division. Yes, Veera, we truly know us inside out. See, Veera, doesn't the morning seems to have something, a musical touch? That's right. So to add a touch of melody to our celebration, our talented students have prepared a beautiful group song dedicated to all the teachers here today. the chart. Don't you agree?
Definitely. Now let's keep the excitement going. What's next?
I think now it's time to experience a heartful Hindi poem by Hardik Purvia and Alina Taj of 6A. I can't wait to hear their recital.
Me neither. So now let us invite the students. They will be reciting a poem that captures the essence of our teachers' dedication and influence.
शिक्षा रूपी वरदान देकर ज्ञान का स्वरूप संजोकर डांट प्यार फटकार से अज्ञानता का अवरुद्ध होकर जो शिक्षा का मंत्र सिखाता है वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है। करुणा दया सहनशीलता है, क्रोध भय को लीलता है, चरणों के स्पर्श मात्र से जिसके मूर्छित कमल भी खिल जाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है। कभी शक्ति दिखाते हैं, कभी सजा दी जाते हैं, इनकी डांट फटकार से हम अक्सर धीरे से जगमगाते हैं। जो जीवन की उचित राह दिखाता है वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है। शून्य से शिखर बना दे, अनंत का रहस्य सिखला दे, कृपा आशीर्वाद है उनका कुछ ऐसा जो जीवन को साकार बनाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है, वह गुरु ही तो कहलाता है। ऐसे गुरुओं का तुम करो सम्मान जो तुम्हें जीवन की उचित राह दिखाते हैं, तुम पर अपना सब कुछ त्याग, बदले में सिर्फ तुम्हारा सुधार मांगते हैं। फिर क्यों चलते हो उनकी राह से विरत तक, फिर क्यों चलते हो उनकी राह से विरत तक, इस तभी स्पर्धी संसार में जो बनते हैं तुम्हारे रक्षक। जिस जीवन रूपी पथ पर हम अक्सर थक बैठ जाते हैं, जिस जीवन रूपी पथ पर हम अक्सर थक बैठ जाते हैं, उस पथ का पात्री बन वही हमारा सफर आसान बनाते हैं। उन गुरुओं से क्या भय रखते हो, क्या वे तुम्हारी खुशियों में शामिल नहीं रखते तुम्हें जो खुद से भी पहले, क्या वे तुम्हारी इज्जत के काबिल नहीं, क्या वे तुम्हारी इज्जत के काबिल नहीं। धन्यवाद। Wow, that Hindi poem was incredibly moving. What do you think, Veera?
It really was. Now it's time for us to leave with a small Hindi poem dedicated to our teachers. गुरु महिमा को कैसे करें बयां, उनकी कृपा से ही मिला है हमें सच्ची राह हर पार।
उनकी मेहनत को दिल से किया है सैल्यूट, उनके योगदान को दिल से किया है सम्मान। अब विदा लेते हैं हम, अब विदा लेते हैं हम स्नेह और आभार के साथ।
In halls of wisdom, where dreams ignite, you guide our paths, you light our nights.
With patience deep and heart so kind, you shape our mind, expand our mind.
Teacher
सगळा मजा छोड़ना।
पूछो बिलाल, आणि टीचर्स डेनी शुभ अवसर पर आप सबનું સ્વાગત છે।
નમસ્કાર, હું છું નિશ્ચિત મોમેન અને આ વિશેષ દિવસ પર અમે આ સૌનું હૃદયથી સ્વાગત કરીએ છીએ।
Today, as you can see, we are all dressed in the traditionality, embracing the cultural heritage of our country, India. And teachers, you are looking absolutely amazing, awesome.
We once again extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, where we students gather today with the grateful hearts and the thanks to convey.
Well, History, don't you think, apart from teaching, teachers have a very significant mark on their students' life. And their patience, my God. It is one thing that fascinates me the most.
Indeed, teachers have an ineffable patience level which I think is inbuilt in their intricate software.
Now to express our gratitude towards our heroes, I think we should continue the program.
That's right, Bilal. Now get ready to be transported to the vibrant and energetic world of Bollywood. Our next performance is a lively dance which brings the joy and magic of Bollywood to life.
So I now welcome the students of class 10 A and B for their incredible dance performance. Wow, actually it was a mesmerizing performance.
organized. Trust me, they have practiced so much, even the books were generous.
Well, you see, मौका भी है, दस्तूर भी है, शेर पेश करना चाहूँगा।
अरे यार फिर नहीं।
अरे ये वाला अच्छा है।
चलिए फिर इरशाद।
तो कुछ यूँ लिखा है कि क्या तू गुरु दक्षिणा मन ही मन में सोचो, क्या तू गुरु दक्षिणा मन ही मन में सोचो, चुका ना पाऊँ एक दिन का भी, चुका ना पाऊँ एक दिन का भी, अगर जीवन भी अपना मैं दे दूँ, उस शिक्षक को मेरा सलाम, उस शिक्षक को मेरा सलाम।
वाह क्या बात है।
शुक्रिया। My dear audience, now it is time for a mesmerizing activity, an Antakshari activity, which is organized and designed by classmates. Now to inform you more about this, I would like to call upon the stage Aram and Aziz.
The stage first.
Good morning, St. Paul. Till date, we, the children, have always been given a games period to enjoy, to relax and to entertain ourselves. But today, as we all know, this auspicious day is dedicated to our respected teacher. We, the organizers of Teachers' Day program, have decided to provide our teachers with a games break. So today, I, Arnav, and I, Aziz, are here to take you to this mysterious game for which you all have been waiting. The rhythmic Deja Vu. Aziz, are you noticing the faces of our audience? Yes, I can. They're filled with confusion. Don't worry, guys. Game का नाम शेर है, लेकिन game सवा शेर है. Proceeding further, as the teachers know, they are provided with playing cards. So now it's time to form our teams. For this, I would like to invite the teachers having the card of King, Queen, Jack and Ace of Heart. I repeat, Lal Pan ka Ikka, Begum, Badshah और Gulam. Easy. For the next team, teachers having the card of King, Queen, Ace and Jack of Spades are invited. I repeat, हुकुम का इक्का, बादशाह, बेगम और गुलाम. Please come, ma'am and sir.
For the third team, I would like to invite the teachers having the card of King, Queen, Jack, Ace of Diamond. I repeat, Eid ka, Ikka, Begum, Badshah or Gulam.
And for the fourth team, teachers having the card of King, Queen, Ace and Jack of Club are invited. I repeat, Chidi ka Ikka, Begum, Badshah or Gulam.
Huge round of applause for the present team.
Heart Dynamite,
Club Level,
Royal Diamond
and Fake Challenger.
Moving ahead, we would like to invite our respected judges, the head boy and the head girl of our school.
One thing, I want to tell the team that you are free to replace any of your team member with the help of Flipkart.
Wait and now, I want to give my teachers a quick disclaimer. Hello. 5 points would be deducted on replacing each team member. I repeat, 5 points would be deducted on replacing each team member.
Now, as everything seems standard, so without any delay, I would like to call Karan and Mufaddal, the anchors of first half, to start with the game.
Thank you one, thank you all. I Karan
and I Mufaddal are here to lead you for the first half of the game.
the first level. The beat begins involves a simple game of Antakshari.
Let's talk about the rules and regulations.
For every correct song, each team will get 5 points.
That's all I guess. So without further ado, let's move to the level 1. तो कहाँ से शुरू?
मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, क्यों ना हम किसी स्टेटमेंट से शुरू करते हैं?
Yeah, I got it. So the statement is, the theme of our school for this academic session 24-25 is tolerant. तो आप अपना गाना शुरू करेंगे स से।
साथी हाथ बढ़ा एक अकेला आएगा मिलकर उठाना साथी हाथ बढ़ा
अब आप अपना सुरीला गाना शुरू करेंगे ना से।
ना से। Wow, great choice of song. आपकी टीम को कौन से गाना है?
मेरे सामने
शुरू करेंगे ह से।
Amazing teamwork.
Please give a round of applause for our wonderful teachers.
Now I request the judges to please give their judgment. Let's proceed to the next level, the scene setter. It just involves some quick thinking from your side.
The clue related to the song would be given in the checks. The word written in the check will be the hint of your song. You have to sing a song related to that word.
For every correct song, each team will get 10 points and time limit will be 30 seconds.
Now with some cheering, I request Tanzir to bring the ball to the captains of the each team.
God is Shadi. शायद मेरी शादी का नया दिल में आया है
झंडा। Word is Vahan.
Your version of song is so much better than the original.
फूल गुलाब का
Amazing teamwork, ma'am. Each team performed really well. Tanzeel, please show the points of each team got 10 out of 10. A huge round of applause for everyone. So now, moving forward to the next level, I would like to call Parv and Harshvardhan to guide you all for the next half. So now it's time to leave. A big thanks to each and everyone. Thank you. Thank you guys. Here I Harshvardhan.
And I, Parv, are here to guide you all for the second half of the program.
Level 3, the Tune Twister. In this level, each team will get a buzzer.
So here, a tune will be played and team members will have to guess the song.
Hit the buzzer, sing the song and gain the point.
But remember, team which hits the buzzer first will be given the chance to answer.
For every right answer, 10 points will be given, and for every wrong answer, 5 points will be deducted.
So let's begin. So the first tune is so team Space Challenger were the first one to hit the buzzer.
So, arts break us. What's the answer?
अगर मैं कहूँ मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत है, ज़मीन में टूटा है तो क्या
तालियां तो बनती है यारो।
Listen, dear teachers, you have to press the buzzer after the tune is completed. While the tune is going on, if during that time you will be playing the buzzer, pressing the buzzer, then it's no sense. So let Shaurya play the music, and after the music stops, then you play. And already we have a system. In system, it will show at which team has played first. Okay? So no problem whether the sound come or not. But it will be seen in computer. Thank you.
So now let's move on to the second tune. So the speed challenger will be the first one to hit the buzzer.
हौले हौले से दवा लगती है, दवा लगती है, ये सफर का कर मेरे यार, कर मेरे यार, निकल गोली मार मार हर जिंदगी के साथ, हौले 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 यार, हौले हौले हो जाएगा प्यार, हौले हौले हो जाएगा प्यार।
Now let's move on to the third tune. Shaurya. So the hearts for the first one to buzzer.
कहते खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी
Silence, guys. Wrong answer.
मेरे दिल की बता दे तू किस और का
तालियां तो बनती है यार।
क्या पाया नहीं तूने, किस और का
That's all.
है तू।
by the first team. Math -5.
Wrong answer.
So no answers. All the teams no answers. Okay, so the song is "Tu Jo Mila" from Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Now let's go ahead. Let's get fourth level of the game, the showstopper.
Rules are quite simple. Each team's member has to come forward and spin the wheel.
And wherever the pointer lands, that particular song has to be sung by the team.
But there is a twist. If the team member is unable to answer or guess the song,
you can call any one student of your choice on the stage and he or she will be your companion for this round.
Anyone from the audience? If you are willing to choose this method to win,
Team Diamond is on 15 and Team Spade is on 20. Team Heart is on 20 and Team Club is on 20. So 3 teams are on 20 and 1 team is on 50.
In case the teacher or the student is not able to sing or sings incorrectly, 5 will be deducted.
So now let's get to the round.
Shape of You is the song they have to sing.
I want to know Mufaddal. Mufaddal, please come on the stage.
First thing first,
That was the wrong answer.
-5.
-5.
So next please play the beat.
Your song is Lehenga.
मेरा हंसी कली का लहंगा देखो घूम गया रे, मेरा लीड़ा देखो घूम गया रे, पिंडारे लचका खाएगी ओ जिया मेरा ढाड़ा पे निचारा लाना चाहेगी, पिंडारे लचके खाएगी कि मेरा हंसी कली का लहंगा देखो घूम गया रे, मेरा लीड़ा देखो
Your song is Kesaria.
सरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, लेके जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी मैं लगाऊं, सरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया।
बहुत बढ़िया, तालियां. So your song is I Rated Gabru. I Rated Gabru. Okay, the beat has changed. Sunya Sunya. Sunya Sunya. Caution ki, please come on the stage.
Tell to see caution please. सुनिया सुनिया रखा तेरा दिल सू, तेरी दुनिया
तालियां, तालियां.
Correct answer.
We would like to give one more chance to Team Heart Diamond.
Okay, so now we have ended up with this Antakshari, and I would like to ask Nalin to announce the final score.
The final scores are Team Diamond is on 10 and the other three teams are on a tie of 35.
As three teams have equal points, we would like to have level.
This is a tiebreaker round. We will ask a question in common to the tie-breaking teams.
Okay, so the buzzers are not here. The teachers and the teams will raise their hands to answer the song.
सारी तीन टीम के इक्वल पॉइंट्स हैं, तो उसके लिए हम एक राउंड और खिलाएंगे और इसमें एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और वो क्वेश्चन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड होगा.
We'll ask the question of any movie
And you have to tell
who is the actor and the heroine of this. They have to guess who is the hero and heroine of this movie.
Okay, so shall I ask? Are you all ready? Who is the actor and actress of the film Fighter? Team Heart Dynamite for the first one.
Deepika Padukone and Hrithik Roshan.
Absolutely. So Team Heart Dynamite have the highest point and they are the winners. Please give a huge round of applause.
So the team Diamond has got 10, the club has got 35, Spades have got 35 and the Hearts have got 45.
Talia! Now, for the prize giving ceremony, I would like to call Arnav and Aziz.
Our teachers played really well.
Yes, they did.
तुझे नहीं लगता कि हमें अब जाना चाहिए?
हाँ, पर रुको, सबर तो करो.
हो, हाँ, अभी तो विनर बताना बाकी है.
The suspense ends and the winner is to be announced.
A humble request to our respected Father Principal and our judges to go give away the prizes. Please, Father. Awarded by us, consider them a small gesture by your beloved students.
We thank all the teachers for participating and coordinating as well.
I am
And I am taking our leave.
Thank you. Are you all enjoying the program so far?
I'm sure you are. But hey Bilal, did you ever notice our teachers have superpowers?
Absolutely. They have more superpowers than the Avengers. Like our maths teachers, they solve the mathematical equations faster than Iron Man.
And our English teacher, she's more poetic than Shakespeare himself,
And our
teaching us poetry with the charm of Hollywood movie.
And our science teachers, my God, they make the subject so interesting by their experiments. A boom like a rocket launch.
So today as we celebrate our superheroes without capes, we have a special Hindi speech dedicated to them.
For this, I would like to call upon Harshit Sharma on the stage.
Over to the speaker.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण एवं श्रोतागण, सबसे पहले यहाँ मौजूद प्रत्येक शिक्षक को मेरी तरफ से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। वक्त अपने पहले पहर को पीछे छोड़ चुका है और आज हम सब यहाँ
तो आइए देखते हैं उनके जीवन की एक छोटी सी झलक। इनका जन्म 5 सितंबर 1888 को तमिलनाडु के तिरुतरी गांव में हुआ। यह भारत के भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति व उपराष्ट्रपति बने। यह पहले ऐसे व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने पश्चिमी दर्शन शास्त्र यानी वेस्टर्न फिलोसॉफी को भारतीय संस्कृति से परिचित कराया। इनके राष्ट्रपति बनने के उपरांत जब इनके कुछ शिष्य इनके पास आए और इन्हें इनके सामने प्रस्ताव रखा कि क्यों ना इनके जन्मदिन को एक बड़े अवसर में तब्दील किया जाए, तब इन्होंने बड़े गर्व से कह दिया कि यदि करना ही है तो इस दिन को देश के उस गुरु को समर्पित करो जिसका इस देश की तरक्की में सर्वश्रेष्ठ योगदान है। यह थी मेरे भारत में गुरुओं की स्थिति। सफलता के परम शिखर पर विराजमान व्यक्ति भी अपने गुरु का इतना आदर करता था कि डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जैसा व्यक्ति अपने जीवन के 8वें दशक तक उस योगदान को नहीं भूला। आज मैं बात करूंगा मेरे इसी भारत की, जहां एक शिक्षक की स्थिति में निंदनीय गिरावट आई। गौर फरमाइएगा, एक शिक्षक की किसी भी नागरिक समाज में सबसे अहम भूमिका होती है। इंजीनियर पुल बनाते हैं तो डॉक्टर लोगों की जानें बचाते हैं, किंतु एक शिक्षक यदि गुरु ना होते तो ना ही इंजीनियर बन पाते और ना ही डॉक्टर ना ही अर्जुन में इतनी क्षमता होती कि वह अपनी शैली का महान युद्धधर बन पाता और ना ही वह महाभारत जैसे महान युद्ध को लड़ने में सक्षम है। अमित जी के द्वारा कही गई यह पंक्तियां हम सभी ने सुनी होगी कि कल और आएंगे नगमों में हिंदी कलियां चुनने वाले, मुझसे बेहतर कहने वाले, तुमसे बेहतर सुनने वाले। किंतु यदि गुरु ना होते तो ना ही एक से बेहतर दूसरा आता और ना ही दूसरे से बेहतर तीसरा। कोई भी पेशा हो उसकी नींव बिछाने का महत्वपूर्ण कार्य एक गुरु ही करता है। अपने भंवरे से चंचल मन पर कभी हल्का सा जोर डालकर यह सोचा है कि यदि समाज की तरक्की में गुरु की इतनी अहम भूमिका है तो फिर उसके गिरते स्तर का मुख्य कारण आखिर है क्या? सर, आपने मुझे हाथ कैसे लगाया? आपने मुझे डांट कैसे दिया? मैं कल ही अपने मम्मी पापा को बुलाकर लाता हूँ और अब तो वही आपको मजा चखाएंगे। ऐसी प्रतिक्रियाएं तो आज हम मामूली मान बैठे हैं। हम सोचते हैं कि यह होते कौन है हमें कुछ भी बोलने वाले, यह जानते ही कितना है इनकी तो सोच भी तक मुझसे है, हमें इनसे ज्यादा क्या है। अरे अंडे से निकलते ही तो चिड़िया का बच्चा भी उड़ने की जिद नहीं करता, वह भी जानता है कि अनुभव से सीखना अनिवार्य है। प्रकृति का दीर्घकालीन नियम है सीखना, और आज हम सिखाने वाले को ही अपमानित करते जा रहे हैं। इतना अपमानित करने के बाद भी हमें यह बोलने की हिम्मत ना जाने कहां से आती है कि आज पढ़ाई का स्तर गिर रहा है और उसका मुख्य कारण हमारे शिक्षक है। यदि भारत ने चाणक्य और द्रोणाचार्य जैसे महान गुरुओं को जन्म दिया है तो एकलव्य, अर्जुन और चंद्रगुप्त जैसे होनहार शिष्य भी इसी धरती की कोख से पले बड़े हैं। आज हम YouTube पर इसी कमरों पर बैठकर पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षकों का सम्मान जरूर कर सकते हैं, किंतु जो हमारे सामने मौजूद है, जो अनकही कठिनाइयों का सामना करने के बावजूद भी हमें दृढ़ निश्चय के साथ पढ़ाते हैं, हम उनका सम्मान नहीं कर पाते। ऐसा नहीं कह रहा कि हमें उनका सम्मान नहीं करना चाहिए या कम करना चाहिए। वे भी शिक्षक हैं, वे भी सिखाते हैं, किंतु वे हमें जानते नहीं, वे करोड़ों को पढ़ाते हैं। ऐसे में यदि एक एक के परिणाम का विशिष्ट ध्यान देने लगे तो उनका तो धंधा ही सुस्त पड़ जाएगा। किंतु जो प्रत्यक्ष मौजूद हैं वो हमें निजी तौर पर जानते हैं, हमारा निजी सुधार करने की क्षमता रखते हैं। वे जानते हैं कि हमारी कमियां और खामियां क्या है और उन्हें सुधारने के लिए सदा तत्पर रहते हैं। युवावस्था में एक विद्यार्थी का मन किसी बहती नदी के समान होता है और इसे एक उचित बहाव प्रदान करना काफी कठिन है, और यह कर्तव्य हमारे गुरु सदियों से निभाते आए हैं। फिर क्यों हम इन्हें समझने में हमेशा भूल कर देते हैं? क्यों इन्हें कभी भी वह सम्मान नहीं दे पाते जिसके यह उचित हकदार है? स्थिति निंदनीय है, निराशाजनक, और हमें इसे बदलना होगा। हमें अपनी संस्कृति को फिर अपनाना होगा और फिर समस्त संसार को सिखाना होगा कि गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही महेश है। और इसकी शुरुआत हमें आज ही से, अभी से अपने ही देश, अपने ही विद्यालय से करनी होगी। हमें विश्व गुरु भारत को पुनः स्थापित करने का संकल्प लेना होगा और इसके लिए आज से बेहतर दिवस शायद ही कोई और होगा। अब मैं अपने भाषण को यही समाप्त करना चाहूँगा। आशा है कि मेरे कहे गए शब्दों में से कुछ शब्द आपने सुने होंगे और प्रयास किया होगा कि मैं क्या परिलक्षित कर रहा हूँ उसे समझें। एक बार फिर यहाँ मौजूद प्रत्येक शिक्षक को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, dear Harshit, for an informative speech.
मिश्री, मैंने ना कुछ पंक्तियाँ लिखी, सुना दूँ?
अरे यार, तुम शेरो शेर खत्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे हो। चलो, सुना दो।
तो कुछ यूँ लिखा है कि आज जो फुर्सत के पल निकाले, याद करा उन सभी टीचर्स को जिनके एफर्ट्स से आज याद दिलाए। वो टीचर्स ही तो हैं जिन्होंने सही राह है दिखाई, गलतियों से सीखने की प्रेरणा है जिन्हें, गिर कर उठना, उठ के चलना और चल कर आगे बढ़ना, यही तो है उनका बाना। और उनके पेशेंस का तो कोई मोल ही नहीं जनाब। हमारे स्टूपिड से स्टूपिड सवालों के भी उनके पास है अनमोल और सटीक जवाब। वो टीचर्स ही तो हैं।
क्या बात है?
Now dear audience, we have a very insightful skit on the way entitled Guru Dakshina. And the amazing part is, it is directed and written by our Honorable Mrs. Surina Sebastian Gurana Guru Rajagopal. So let's give a big round of applause for them. And for this, I would like to call upon the stage the students of class 10A and 10B.